Score 2-0 in favor of St. Cronin. Serving, wearing jersey number 2, Buwan. Service error, Buwan.
Alam mo ba pula nung nakis ka? Nag-error ka na sa sarili. Diba?
Serving, Aguilar. Received by Caballo. Attack by Barruelo. Ventura again. Aguilar. Set to by Buwan. Digang attacking. By again. Attacking. Barruelo. Attack point by Barruelo. Score all 2. Deadlock 2.
Ano pa yan? Maglalabas ng lang yan. Tatlo naman nilalaman.
Attack point by jersey number 8, Bahe. Serving, Aguilar. Attack point by Digab, score 3-5 in favor of Fancy Aces. Serving, jersey number 9, Digab.
Hindi yung container ko ah.
Received by Camisera, De La Cruz, Camisera. Chance home. Aganon. Attack error, score 4-5 in favor of Fancy Aces. Aguilar, set to Barruelo. Buwan, Ventura. Attack error, score 4-6 in favor of Fancy Aces.
Dalawa.
5-6 in favor of Fancy Aces. Aguilar, Bahe, attacking. Nice thing by Malaguis. Barruelo, Aguilar. Camisera. Attack point by jersey number 17, Camisera.
Pwede mo yung dalawa na sa akin.
Service error. Score 6-7. 6-7.
Mali.
Nice save by Aguilar. Buwan, Balaguis. Attack point by Balaguis. Score all 7. 7-8 in favor of Fancy Aces. Mga inusahan. Score 9-7 in favor of Fancy Aces. Serving jersey number 4, Napoli. Received by Ventura. Aganon. Inside. Point by Fancy Aces. Serving Napoli wearing jersey number 4. Buwan. De La Cruz attacking. Copano, Buwan, Balagris. Attack point by Ganon. Received by De La Cruz. Attack point by Dicon. Score 10-9 in favor of Fancy Aces. Serving Aganon. Service error by Aganon. Score 11-9 in favor of Fancy Aces. Aguila, Dicon, set to Balagris. Attack error, score 12-9. Tatlo na lamang po. Ang kalamahan, Camisera serving. Dicon, nice ring. De La Cruz. Dicon to Balagris. De La Cruz attacking. Aguilar, set to Baruelo. Balagris. De La Cruz attacking. Dicon, pumalo. Outside, score 39. Dalawa na lang. Time out. St. Lawrence. May fans ng Fancy Aces dito sa likod ko. Dalawa na lamang po. At na. Magkawitan. Good evening po, Sir Aldrin Alanique. Aldrin Alanique. Back to the ball game. Pakisara po yung gate, Sir Aldrin Alanique. Matuto po tayo magsara ng gate. Maraming salamat po. Serving Camisera. Received by Balagris. Digag attacking. Attack point by jersey number 9, Digag. Score 13-10. Serving jersey number 8, Balagris.
Kalma lang. Diba? Lampasin mo! Di mo kaligin yan.
Attack error. Score 11-13 in favor of St. Lawrence. Ay, Fancy Aces.
Hoy, huwag na kayo magpagod. Mataas, mataas.
Digag. Buwan. Set to Digag.
Nice.
Aguilar de la Cruz attacking. Nice block by Digag. De la Cruz again. Match point 14-11. 14-11 match point. Ang kamit na yun. Serving de la Cruz.
Ang sakit ka pa siya, kala mo namatay na.
Receive by Aquilion. Buwan. Rensura.
Alaga lang. Kalmahan nyo lang.
Panalo po ang Fancy Aces. Congratulations po sa ating Fancy Aces. That's the end of our third set. Both teams and line. Captain Boy po, Perma. Player of the game. Wearing jersey number 8, Pare. Picture na po, Captain Boy po for both teams. Perma po tayo dito sa committee. Maraming salamat po. Perma po dito sa committee, both teams, Captain Ball, maraming salamat po. At saka player of the game po, Pare.